we will be talking about the GSM focusing, because nowadays most of the services are being offered by using GSM infrastructure, right? So voice, video, data, video, triple play, quadruple, they are actually offering those services to the end users by using this GSM infrastructure. Global system for mobile communication, so we'll be talking about digital transmission, ISDN, right? So roaming, so this is again a big plus, and the technology that are being used under the umbrella of GSM, right? And then, of course, we will be using, or we will be talking about some simulation tool that is important when we talk about the networking, data communication, wireless communication, right? So we cannot do that for the evaluation, for the